let's hear that how these classes and Bhagavad Gita is useful to him.
Haribol.
Hari bol.
Haribol.
Okay. So, thank you, Agesh Prabhu. So, maybe I'll start with a small prayer. So, Gurve Gaurachandraya, Radhikaya Tadaduru, Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya, Sadbhaktaya Namo Namaha. Yeah, so I was just reflecting on last 1.5 year, just to see on my little realizations. So the first thing I understood or I realized is,
Recording is on.
so first thing that I realized is I was just reading Bhagavad Gita, but I was not studying. So that was the first realization I got, and then so I realized I didn't understand anything of Bhagavad Gita. So it was a honest feedback to myself. So then, so I started trying to understand, and the classes especially that was helping us to think, and then to also, look at different scenarios so that we could practically apply. So that was very helpful for me. And one thing which really stuck completely was, I think it was Jagannath Prabhu who has given that guest lecture for us. So towards the end, he concluded saying, life is making decisions at every moment. So it's all about making decisions. And then I was looking, what did Krishna say about it? Because I was completely thinking about it for almost 2 days. Then I was not very much aware of, even as a parrot, what were the verses in 16th chapter. Then I realized the beautiful verse like Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthitam. And then, so we should know what duty is, what not duty is. And then again, in the second line, Krishna says, Gnatva Shastra Vidhanoktam Karma Kartum Miharasi. So we should act according to Shastra. So, and then I was again confused, but I don't know what to act and what not to act. So all these things was really very intriguing, and then I started looking Bhagavad Gita from a different perspective. So that was very good learning, which struck, and I still contemplate on it every day. And next thing is, we discussed at length about the attitude of gratitude, where Advait Gopal Prabhu was mentioning. So though we read Bhagavad Gita as a parrot, and then so we also memorize some verses and quote it. But so these classes, it really triggers the thought where we could think and then say, yes, we didn't look from this perspective. So gratitude, so the attitude of gratitude, where we see in 7th chapter, even 15th chapter, so how Krishna was creating wonderfully for us. Though externally he is giving a lot of facilities. During the COVID times, we saw a lot of people, we lost them because they could not breathe properly, and they are breathing very effortlessly. It's all Krishna's arrangement. And so when we come to the internals, we saw how he's digesting, though he has created wonderful foods. So how he's digesting our food, and then how he's Smriti Gnanam, so giving the memory, and then knowledge, and then also forgetfulness. So if you see every walk of life, every step, every moment, so Supreme Lord is there with us. So, but unfortunately, we are not really realizing or feeling that gratitude. So again, it's good that for me, I keep on reflecting on it, and then I think back, yes, God is giving us so much, and at least we should give some time back to for Krishna. If not, we're not advanced, but at least give that quality time for Krishna. So that was one quality realization that I feel I had. And then also we have a lot of myths, like karma, what is not karma. Sometimes we also see a lot of questions. Yeah, then should we work, or should we just keep chanting? So all these things were really clarified. It's not just we chant, but karma plus daiva plus kala gives us the result. So this was also a good learning that I had. So we should do our part. Otherwise, it's not just reading, and it's not for lazy people. So this was other thing. And also in one of the discussions with Advait Prabhu, so he was really explaining me about Sharanagati. So sometimes we feel, we are doing our work, but how we can realize that we're completely dependent on God. So that discussion on Sharanagati also helped me, so which also helps us in daily realization. So that was one of the good part. There are many, but I want to keep it short in the interest of time. Lastly, yesterday when Rahul Prabhu was preaching, I was thinking to myself, my mind is still a teenager, so I should read more. So that was very good. And also on the point of gratitude, so yeah, while Krishna has given us so much, even in the form of Bhagavad Gita and many shastras, so we should be even more gratitude for Srila Prabhupada. He has spent a lot of effort in that age. So, and I think we should try to read more and more. And again, since Rahul Prabhu was preaching and a lot of people are talking about distributing, again I was looking back to myself. So we've been giving books, we've been preaching, but we're not reading. So I think that was also a call to action that I took from yesterday's preaching of Rahul Prabhu. So still we should be more serious, at least to myself. And also Prabhupada has given us one thing. It's not pointing out Rahul Prabhu, but just I want him to add this college also. So there's one college which is transforming lives of many people. So that is our ISKCON, which Srila Prabhupada has given us a beautiful college to learn ourselves and transform our lives. So this is the topmost university which is giving us this education, and that should be in the list of colleges, Rahul Prabhu, so that you can add it. So this was something that I wanted to share. Yeah, and I also told to Abdul Prabhu, I also wanted to take this opportunity. So he was there at least multiple times when I needed the most. So it was like a mentor, hand-holding, and always inspiring. So thanks, Prabhu, for that.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hey
Hari
Krishna.
Bol. Hari Bol.
Very beautiful learning and understanding, Prabhu, about the gratitude. Like, if we really see, everything ultimately culminates into that gratitude that we all must have towards Srila Prabhupada. Without Srila Prabhupada, I don't know where we were. And that Srila Prabhupada, at that age, we can't imagine. I keep thinking, I still think every now and then that thought comes, I'm reaching 45, what will be at 79, at 69, 70 years of age, whether really I'll be walking or not walking, or don't know what I'll be doing, whether this body will be there or not. At that age, what he has done, not for himself, not for any material gain, nothing, no self-interest. The only interest is to take us all back home, back to God.
Hari Bol.
The day we will really, really, realize that in our deep of our heart, that what Srila Prabhupada has done is for me, to take me out of this suffering world, right, and take me back to that eternal spiritual world full of bliss. That day will really become serious about our own sadhana. So we must know Srila Prabhupada, what he has done. So that's why I would like to take this opportunity again one more time to request all of you to please read Srila Prabhupada Leelamrita. Without that, we will not, like, when you join a company, you read a CEO's biography and all that and get inspired, right? Oh, Jeff Bezos, wow, what a man, from where to where, from McDonald's to there, Elon Musk, compared to the, you feel inspired and then want to join those companies, right? The same way, we must understand the mode of Srila Prabhupada. He is the founder Acharya of ISKCON. When we understand his mood, his mission, his goal, with which he has created ISKCON, then we will be much more multifold inspired to do what we need to. We will be serious about our own self. Right? Thank you so much, Prabhu. Hari Bol!
Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari
Bol.
Bol.
Yes, Akash.
Sai Suman Prabhuji, your beautiful smile only indicates that how these learnings are blessing you to become more and more happy souls.
And thanks a lot to Rahul Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Nice inspiration yesterday.
I'm no one, like, you are a smart with your
Yeah, that we all know we are no one. Thanks for the
Right,
reminder.
very true,
I
Prabhuji.
am no one, probably, like,
So moving on to the next, here Aman Prabhu is will be explaining that how he utilizes that Brahma Muhurat. He started waking up early in the morning because of these classes and Bhagavad Gita. So let's hear that. I have a recorded video.
Okay, did Aman Prabhu already done yesterday?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
But one recorded a short, very short video, 1 minute video is there.
So I request, it's my request, at least those who have not done so
Okay,
far,
okay,
first let
Prabhuji.
them do. At last, then we will play the videos and other stuff.
Yes, Prabhuji. Fine. So okay.
So,
Let's move on then. Sanjay Prabhu.
Sanjay
I'll ask
Prabhu.
Sanjay Prabhu to share his experience.
तो फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग मैं तो ऐसे कुछ बनाया नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे फेस्ट इस केम एज ए फेस्ट, सो मैंने सोचा कि चलो फेस्ट हो रहा है तो आई नेवर जॉइन द मॉर्निंग क्लासेस, तो चलो फेस्ट हो रहा है तो मैं भी ज्वाइन कर लेता हूँ, देखता हूँ क्या हो रहा है फेस्ट में. ओके सो
तो आपका वीकेंड रियलाइजेशंस है, आप एक बाकी छपा कर रहे हैं आप, तो उसके लिए आपका जो भी रियलाइजेशन है बताइए.
तो हाँ वही बता रहा हूँ मैं कि नॉर्मली हम लोग अद्भुत गोपाल प्रभु को बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ मैं, बट बैक टू 2019 जब मैं चेन्नई आया तो हम लोग उनके घर में क्लास होता रहता था वीकेंड में. सो टिल दैट टाइम मैं कभी कभी वीकली एक बार संडे को ही महामंत्र जपा करता था, एक बार जस्ट वीकली ऑन द संडे इटसेल्फ. सो slowly by mentoring, by guidance, and मैंने at least daily एक बार start किया. I think I remember 2019 onwards. तो एक बार से फिर मैंने दो से तीन से चार मतलब in 1.5 year 2 years, so committed to 4 rounds at least so far, and so revealing the age like close to my 50s. So I'm thinking to reach 16 in next just few years, and to continue after that in my life. As long as Krishna wants. So not very quickly I say okay, in 2-3 months I'll do 8 round or 16 round, but I set a goal. Maybe like when I reached 50, maybe in just few years from now, I'll start 16. I'll reach 16 on that level, and I'll start continue from there, 16 rounds forever, as long as I live. So this is just kind of my realization what I have so far done.
Yeah, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari
Bol.
We all can pray for one time Hare Krishna mantra for Sanjay Prabhu, so that he quickly, like those few years, let become next 1.5 year. In that, Sanjay Prabhu come to 16 rounds and then continue 16 rounds for entire his life.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Sanjay Prabhu. Yes, so Sanjay Prabhu is already a Dhamvasi. He is from Jagannath Puri. He stays very near to Jagannath.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Few days back, he was trying to show me also Jagannath temple, but unfortunately, I was somewhere else. So I think my family saw. But yeah, so Prabhu is wonderful. Yes, Prabhu. We were in US together, so there also every evening we used to sit and do chanting 2 rounds, Prabhu, right? 2 rounds we used to chant.
Sometimes we actually didn't count. It goes up to 1 hour or 1.5 hours of continuously chanting with kids.
Correct. So in US evenings are free. From like we come home by 4:30. So what to do? So we used to sit together, 2-3 families and chant that time evening.
Hari Bol.
After coming to India, to Krishna's arrangement, he is back to the same apartment in India also. So again, so Krishna has really good plan for you, Prabhu. So please increase your chanting and other soul regulative principles. That's all set.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So now I would like to request Roshan Prabhu to share his experience, teachings, learnings.
Yeah, hi, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol, Hari Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. So I joined these classes with the help of Dhananjay Prabhu, and he told me like we can get good knowledge from this. So I started started to join these classes because I wanted to get some good perspectives in life and also gain some knowledge so I can apply it in my own life and grow forward. So so that's why I started joining. And also in between, I also got distracted some for a few days, so I did not join for a few days. So I'm trying my best to join from now on and as well coming forward. So one thing which I have realized the most is that whatever we do in this material world, like the things we run after, those things like never gives us satisfaction in our life actually. Like whatever we try to achieve, once we have achieved that, we get happiness for some time, but after that it goes back to normal and we need to go even higher for that. So that is why. And for the one thing that we can do to get rid of that is to gain knowledge and to gain more means. There are like different levels of pleasures in life, like we get at physical level as well as at mental level, also as at spiritual level. So we need to like go to the higher, develop a higher test to discard the lower ones. So that's why I'm going to try best myself to gain the full knowledge of Bhagavad Gita as well as keep going forward in our spiritual growth. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hari bol.
Hari bol, Hari bol.
So Roshan Prabhu, are you chanting japa, doing japa?
Yeah, I'm doing one round every day.
Jai Hari Bol. So yeah, so as your aim is very perfect. You want to taste, you want to go for a higher taste. Yes, spiritual world is the highest one, and so to taste that spiritual world, all the ingredients for that higher taste is inside the japa bag. Right? So the more and more, it's like when you rub that genie ka,
Chirag.
Genie ka chirag.
lamp, genie ka chirag, you run 3 times, you do, genie appear.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The same way that the higher taste of spiritual, the more we rub, the japa mala.
Yeah.
With the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, more and more rounds that we chant, that higher and higher taste will keep building up. So to reach the spiritual world in this Kali Yuga, we saw that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Hare Nam, Eva Kevalam. Keval Hari Ka Naam, Hari Ka Naam, Hari Ka Naam. Kalau Nasti Eva, Nasti Eva, Nasti Eva. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else. The Lord Himself is telling us that in this age of Kali Yuga, 3 times He is saying nothing else, 3 times He is saying only Hari Ka Naam.
Mm-hmm.
So we can understand how much emphasis Lord Himself is giving that in Kali Yuga, chanting of the holy name of the Lord is the only solution to taste that higher taste and go back home, back to God, to derive that permanent happiness. Right? So
Yeah.
please chant more and more. The more you will chant, the more Lord sitting in your heart will reveal to you about Himself.
Okay.
If you want to know Krishna more, chant more. He will reveal to you. And He reveals. So many witnesses are there. Right? So you need not worry. So yeah. So please chant more.
Yeah. Okay.
So one time Hare Krishna mantra for Roshan Prabhu also, so that he increases his japa and chanting more and more. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
To set a target, then you reach the goal.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So now you have set a target of 1, make it 4.
Okay.
And then every day ensure you are doing 4 stuff. I'm pretty sure you will have time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do 4 targets of 4 every day. Start with that, and then try. I'm sure you will reach soon. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Roshan, for joining and sharing your thoughts. Yes, when you got the crux of it, that yes, there is no happiness here,
Yeah.
and we have to get a higher taste. Wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So Akash Prabhu,
Yes, Prabhuji.
where is Dinesh and Pradeep Prabhu? They both have not done, right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, let me call them till the time now. If all are done, then you can play Aman Prabhu's video.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, I tried to call Dinesh Prabhu means
Ah,
yesterday or day before yesterday. His call was switch off means it was switch off or not
uh,
reachable something.
but he joined yesterday, na?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
he,
Prabhu.
he joined.
I think he is at his village.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
He joined day before yesterday, I think he joined.
No, yesterday also he had joined. No, yes, day
चलिए
before yesterday.
प्रदीप प्रभु कोई कॉल करेगा क्या? Okay, till the time you play the video, Prabhu, Aman Prabhu's video we'll watch.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, kindness of my humble obeisance. So Prabhuji, some devotees had a plan to share our experience or thoughts which I have realized with you. So Prabhuji, I want to say that I've got to learn a lot from you. And the biggest thing is that you helped me to wake up early in the morning. So thank you for this. And it's an indelible impression of mine that one can learn from his spiritual teacher. So I have learned many things from you. And though you can be a spiritual teacher for everyone, as me as well, but in reality you are like a good friend to us, and you treat us as a friend as well. So all in all, I must say that I get the association of pure devotee like you every morning. So what else do I need in life? So thank you, Prabhuji, for being in our life. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. You all are my guide. You all are my inspiration. Because you all inspire me so much. At your age, I was doing some nonsense in my life. So I feel so happy and inspired that at this young age, you all are taking up this process and progressing in your spiritual life.
प्रभु जी, it's all because of your push. हमारे ऊपर जो डालते हैं pressure that we don't even afraid of doing anything.
It's not actually pressure. It's just like राह दिखाते हैं पर वो हम लोग सही दिशा मतलब हम लोग को मिलता है. प्रभु जी ऐसे भी नहीं पुश करते एकदम, पर बहुत जैसे हम लोग के इसमें मतलब एक बार हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था कि किसी को ऐसा जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकते, बट आपका कर्म है, आप राह दिखाओगे तो बात बन सकती है ऐसे.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. See, you all have that spark. So I am just putting a fan, trying. And if you all are ready to light up, all in your hand. And Srila Prabhupada is there for all of us to help us in every possible way at any nook and corner. So just hold the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada and we all will get out of this material world. We have Pradeep Prabhu joined.
Prabhuji, like, just want to mention, as you said ना, like जब आप हमारी एज के थे उस टाइम आप अपने आप को नहीं मिले थे इसलिए नहीं हो पाया, हमें आप मिल गए इसलिए हो गया. आई नो थोड़ा ट्विस्टेड है क्योंकि आप अपने आप को नहीं मिले थे एट द एज ऑफ दैट एंड वी गॉट इट, वी आर लकी.
My karma. I cannot say anything to anyone. Hare Krishna. So we have Pradeep Prabhu. Hari Bol. Where is Pradeep Prabhu? Yes.
I will request Pradeep Prabhu to give his opinion or his teachings or what he have learned from these classes, Bhagavad Gita or any devotional service. Yes, Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा
तो
प्रभु।
प्रभु जी मतलब जितना भी कहा जाए कम ही है एक तरीके से, क्योंकि हमें अब जैसे हमें स्टार्टिंग में से मैंने मतलब 12 चैप्टर तक मतलब रेगुलरली ज्वाइन किया था मैंने, बट बीच में कुछ गैप हो गया। तो अभी क्या है कि अभी हम लोग समझ पाते हैं कि मतलब चीज़ें क्या सही हैं क्या गलत हैं, हमें पता होती है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत मतलब बहुत ही मतलब पहले हमें पता नहीं होता था कि हम सही कर रहे हैं गलत कर रहे हैं। जैसे पहले कि हम लोग मेरे यहाँ तो जैसे फैमिली में क्या है कि जैसे मेरे यहाँ जो गांव में लोग रहते हैं तो वहाँ नॉनवेज तो ऐसे खाते हैं जैसे पता ही नहीं लगता जैसे सब्जी खा रहे हैं। तो लेकिन अब जब से मैं मुझे छोड़ेगा उसको 1 साल हो गए और तो मुझे तो अब जैसे कभी मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता ही नहीं मतलब अब तो जी। और चीज़ें अभी क्या कि सही मतलब दिखती हैं क्या सही है क्या गलत है प्रभु जी। मतलब भागवत गीता क्लासेस करने से सारी चीज़ें जानने से ये चीज़ें हमें पता चलती हैं। और आप अपने आप को कैसे इम्प्रूव करें ये भी सारी चीज़ें हैं। जैसे कि अगर आप जैसे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव भी करना चाह रहे हैं तो ये क्लासेस बहुत ही मतलब ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है एक तरीके से। अपने कम्युनिकेशन से लेके चाहे प्रोफेशनली ले लें या आप सिस्टम को फॉलो करो। जैसे होता है कि आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट जैसे होता है ना टाइम मैनेजमेंट वो भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर हम इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट अच्छे से कर पाएंगे। अदरवाइज अभी क्या कि हमारे यहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है क्योंकि बच्चे हैं फैमिली है तो मैथ कर पाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, बट जो यंगस्टर उनके लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है। और अद्भुत प्रभु जी का तो पूछना ही नहीं है तो जितना भी कहा जाए कमी है प्रभु जी के बारे में। थैंक यू प्रभु जी फॉर गिविंग सच।
How much is the chanting going, Prabhu? Your japas?
10 round प्रभु जी।
Hari Hari.
Hari Bol.
Yeah, previously I was doing 8 round. Increases the last 3-4 months. It's now 10.
Yeah, very good. So yes, very nice, Prabhu. So those who are less than 16, for all of you, only one request. We understand, yes, you all are young, you have enough time, but we don't know how much time. So please keep that time factor in mind, right? So please try to increase, right, more and more as quickly as possible. Yeah, practically try and increase more and see. I'm sure when you will, note down your daily routine, I'm sure you will find some time which you are doing on certain activities which are really not required in life. So that time you can utilize to increase your japa, right? Because this technology, modern technology has brought us, and we think our brain, our mind is not cheating us all the time. It cheats us and it keeps telling us, no, that is more important. Japa, I am doing this much is fine, but that particular thing, on my mobile, on my house, inside my television, all that is very critical and important. If I don't see that, I will lose something. But that is the cheating of the mind. What you will lose? Nothing. Material world, anyway, you will lose everything. The most important thing that you need to really focus and increase is your spiritual sadhana. Your sadhana time must be reading newspaper, no use in life. Watching news channels and television series and serials, no benefit in life. No matter how much your brain cheats you, mind tells you, no, if I don't watch it, then how will I grow? How my business will flourish? If your business has to die, it's all based on your past life karma. It will go in 1 second also. No matter how much TV you watch, or those who are watching, are they able to save their business and things? No, when it is supposed to go, it will go. So better make yourself strong with your own sadhanas. That is the most important. Just find out time in your schedules and try to catch up to 16. See, not reaching up to 16, and we have not yet reached the minimum bar level, right? Like to enter into any sports, say suppose you have to do some sport. There is a basic qualification. Your height should be this much feet. Your fast running record, say athlete, if you are an athlete, your fast running record, there minimum at least you should be running with this speed. Then you are allowed to go into Olympics and nationals, right? So we are not yet reaching there. So 16, reach 16, and then be steady at 16 for the rest of life. And then above 16, any day, anytime is okay. But reach that minimum level, target, focus on that, please. Thank you so much, Pradeep Prabhu. And Pradeep Prabhu was also trying to help us in building a site for ISKCON Chennai. I don't know that project. I couldn't get much information. I think he was helping for some time and reading and doing the stuff. So I hope that is progressing. So thank you so much, Pradeep Prabhu. And then, family life is busy. If you think family life is right now busy, it will be much more busier in future.
Yeah, it's also encouraging.
So then better you chant. So, and we need to understand somehow in our life, chanting will only help us to live my life better. It is not an option. It is the main thing. I always say that statement, right? If you take care of your spiritual life,
material life will be taken care.
Material life will be taken care. Deeply think on this statement. If you take care of your spiritual life, your material life is taken. You need not worry about your family. You need not worry about your children. They are taken care. If you just go 60, 70 years back now, if you look at your grandparents, they were much more Krishna conscious. Your grandparents and all of you will see your parents who are maybe 6, 7 brothers, 5, 6 sisters, like that you will have. That time today 1 children or 2 children, we are 1 child, 2 child itself, parents are like, Prabhuji, I have children. Prabhuji, we have children. You are unable to do it. Hey, just go 60 years back, your grandparents. How many children? 12 children. 15 children.
Yes, Prabhuji.
16 children. And they live, and inside one shelter, they will live very happily. Today, husband, wife, and 1 children, life is high. Only high. Right? So how? So now you think what was not there at that time? TV was not there. Mobile was not there. Right? And only Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Shastra, scriptures, you ask any of your grandparents if they are there. The evening schedule is this only. Morning schedule, early wake up, Nitya Karma karne ke baad, after that they will read Bhagavad Gita, bhog offering, puja, part. Evening also they will come home. Sandhya, like before sunset, dinner done, puja part done. Parents will teach Bhagavad Gita and shlokas and Ramayana and all this only to their children. Right? Now today we say no time, Prabhuji. But is not the problem. Problem is television, mobile, and many other modern gadgetries which were created so-called reason as for helping us to save time. I don't know whether it is really saving our time or not. Right? So be intelligent and find it out. Life can be taken care very easily just by chanting and reading. Okay. What else, Mr. Akash Prabhu?
So coming to the last, we had Deepak Prabhu had taken an interview of Dhananjay Prabhu. So let's hear them. A very short interview, short and sweet.
Okay.
तो गाइज आपने अभी तक का वीडियो देखा होगा, जैसे अभी हम लोग सुबह ऑलमोस्ट 440 तक हम लोग पहुंच गए थे। एक्चुअली 4:30 को स्टार्ट हो जाता है मंगल आरती, सो 4:40 तक पहुंच गए थे। उसके बाद हम लोग ने आरती अटेंड किया, उसके बाद गौर पूजा जो था, उसके बाद तुलसी जी का पूजा होता है, आरती होता है, वो अटेंड करने के बाद फिर प्रभुपाद जी का, श्रील प्रभुपाद जी का पूरा ये गुरु पूजा होता है, तो वो हम लोग अटेंड करके अभी बालाजी मंदिर, इस्कॉन से ही कनेक्टेड बालाजी मंदिर में हम लोग अभी दर्शन किए। उसके बाद ये मंदिर जैसे कि अभी उसमें हो गया, हम लोग अभी बालाजी मंदिर के सामने ही खड़े, उधर ही आप बैकग्राउंड देख सकते हैं कैसे। तो अभी हम लोग इसके बाद हम लोग का प्रसादम लेंगे हम लोग ऑफ कोर्स। तो अभी मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ हमारे प्रभु जी से, जिनने हम लोग को इस्कॉन से कनेक्ट किया मेन। तो इनका आपके बारे में बताइए। इनका नाम है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल धनंजय प्रभु जी, धनंजय शर्मा। ये हम लोग का पहचान क्रिकेट खेलने से हुआ था, फिर इनने हम लोग को इंट्रोड्यूस किया कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस इस्कॉन से, फिर इनके कारण ही हम लोग कंटिन्यूस मतलब स्पिरिचुअल गाइडेंस ले पाए इनके लिए। तो आप हमें ये पहले बताइए कि मतलब आपने कब से स्टार्ट किया था प्रभु जी?
अभी हरे कृष्णा मुझे हो गया लगभग 1.25 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया इस कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस में। मेरा एक फ्रेंड है मनदीप पंजाब से, उसने मुझे कनेक्ट किया एक अद्भुत प्रभु जी के साथ जो चेन्नई से हैं, तो उनकी क्लासेस में डेली अटेंड करता हूँ। एंड देन फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ दीपक प्रभु के साथ और आकाश प्रभु के साथ, तो इनको क्यों ना इनवाइट किया जाए। तो बहुत इनका पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस था, इन्होंने तो एक ही बार बोलने में मान गए कि हाँ हम भी आएंगे। तो ये लोग क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो हम लोग डेली क्लास अटेंड करते हैं, टेंपल आते हैं, बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली विजिट करते हैं, एवरी संडे ट्राई करते हैं मंगल आरती आने का, चैंटिंग भी करते हैं 16 राउंड्स डेली। तो काफ़ी अच्छा जर्नी रहा है अभी तक। एंड
तो प्रभु जी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू हम लोग को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए इससे। फिर सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप एज अ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस मीन्स आप कितना बड़ा रिवोल्यूशनाइजेशन समझते हैं आपके लाइफ में, मतलब कितना बड़ा योगदान ये देते हैं आपके लाइफ में?
बहुत सारा चेंज आया है। पहले मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स और एंग्जाइटीज आती थी तो बहुत ऐसा लगता था कि यार मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, ये सब क्यों हो रहा है। बट फिर कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस में आने के बाद चीज़ें सिंपल हो जाती है, समझने लगते हैं कि हाँ ये क्यों हो रहा है, हमें अब खुद रीज़न पता चल जाते हैं। एंड हम लोग एक बिगर पिक्चर देखते हैं कि हाँ ज़िंदगी क्या है, लाइफ क्यों है, भगवान क्या है, और मैं मतलब जीवन मिला है तो इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे करना है। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब मिलती है तो लाइफ सिंपल हो जाती है, ज़्यादा मन यहाँ वहाँ दौड़ता नहीं है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है।
प्रभु जी हम लोग आकाश प्रभु और मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ इस्कॉन से जुड़े हुए, तब भी आपने जो जो बातें अभी बोली बिल्कुल हम लोग को ऊपर भी प्रभाव पड़ा है इतने ही कम टाइम में ही। तो हम लोग गाइडेंस, आपके गाइडेंस से और हमारे अद्भुत दास प्रभु जी के गाइडेंस से आई थिंक वी विल ग्रो फर्दर। तो बहुत बड़ा मेरे लाइफ में भी बहुत अच्छा मुझे फील होने लगा है जब से मैं इस्कॉन से कनेक्टेड हूँ, और उसीलिए हम लोग हर संडे को आते ही है पूरा मंगल आरती अटेंड करने। सो यू नो एक स्पिरिचुअल गाइडेंस होना चाहिए अपने लाइफ में, जो मटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ में पूरा चलते आ रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा अलग होके हम लोग को स्पिरिचुअल गाइडेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है, अपने लाइफ को एक वे डायरेक्शन देते। तो थैंक यू प्रभु जी आपके लिए, और ऑल ग्लोरीज एंड प्रेज टू श्रील प्रभुपाद जी और हमारे जो गुरु है अभी अद्भुत दास प्रभु जी के लिए। तो थैंक यू दे रहे हैं, और आपका तो हम लोग और इंटरव्यू लेंगे, एक्सटेंडेड इंटरव्यू।
अभी मेरे से बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, अभी उनका ले लेंगे हम लोग।
पर आपसे बड़े हो या ना हो, हम लोग को तो आपने लाया। तो थैंक यू प्रभु जी, और हम लोग आगे देखते हैं, अभी चलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम पे।
तो गाइस अभी हम जा रहे हैं प्रसादम लेने, मतलब ये छोटा प्रसादम है, बड़ा प्रसादम बाद में होगा, ठीक है?
बड़ा प्रसादम में
ये देखिए मुस्कान देखिए बच्चे की।
प्रसादम में छोटा है बड़ा कुछ नहीं होता।
राइट सही बात है। तो चलिए आपको जाते जाते हम लोग मंदिर का थोड़ा दृश्य भी दिखा देंगे कैसा दिखता है। यहाँ पे कुछ फूल और झाड़ियाँ हैं।
Hari. That was a nice interview, Dhananjay Prabhu. We need to see, right? Every soul is Krishna conscious. That's what we say, right? Every soul is initially Krishna conscious. It takes only what? Just one tap. So, you all were playing cricket for so long. And Dhananjay Prabhu just tapped. Would you like to come for Bhagavad Gita? And you both awakened. Yeah, yes, will come. Right? So that's
yes,
that's exactly what happens when we go for book distribution. There are many millions of souls around us. You just have to touch those souls who are, almost little, they are opening their eyes, they are coming out of their deep sleep. You just touch them, tap them, Hare Krishna, please, Bhagavad Gita, and then they are awake. Yeah, yes, okay, very nice. Give, and then they start joining classes, and their life it's a U-turn, It's a U-turn. Anxiety, stress, tension, frustrations, no happiness, even after earning, making money, family, children, everything after done is still happiness they are unable to find. But as soon as a devotee goes, gives Bhagavad Gita and taps and says, please join, and then the life, then as you all realized and as you all spoke in your interviews, so you all felt it, right? Even in a short time. So look at this chain, how this chain is running. Arvind Netra Prabhu, Mandeep Prabhu, then Karan, so Mandeep, Dhananjay, Deepak, Akash, Roshan, and from here Karan to Jatin to this one, going Rahul to there, Tinku, Arvind Netra, so all are well. It's like in science, I'm not a science student, but in science we study, right, that what is that chain reaction? This is that chain reaction, spiritual reaction, right? That is why now imagine how each one of you, if you touch more, 10, 20, 100, it will be multifold, right? And you are giving everybody an opportunity and waking up them to, follow Dham. Like a postman, we are just delivering souls, follow Dham. How important is book distribution, increasing your own sadhana. I like the interview portion. The person who is taking the interview is giving more interviews. That shows the excitement.
It was conversation.
I like the excitement. But yeah, it's all real. It's all heartfelt reactions. So this was very happy to see that you all are happy and you all are happily ready to serve, and connect with the Supreme Lord, serve in this mission of Srila Prabhupada. Very, very amazing. 3 days. So now at the end of fest, there should be feast.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So that feast in a virtual environment is Hari Kirtan.
Yes.
Right? So yes, okay, let me first check with the MC. Where is Akash? Akash.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Anything else? What else is there?
Only few Prabhujis are there. Dinesh Prabhu.
Okay, Dinesh Prabhu is not there. Okay.
Jatin Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Jatin, it's okay. Maybe you can talk to them and ask them to make video if they are not able to join.
Yes, Prabhuji.
But Dinesh Prabhu regularly joins. I don't know what happened. He went to some village where no signals and all.
Yeah, signal problem.
Okay. Then we should have actually asked them yesterday itself when he joined.
Yes, Prabhuji. But we got so late that...
That's okay. Oh, whatever is done as per the will. Fine. Yes, Prabhu. So now what to do? Last 5 minutes?
Feast.
Feast. Only. Yes, Prabhuji.
So where is Aman Prabhu? Aman Prabhu, Vikas Prabhu, Mandeep Prabhu, Karan. They are our Kirtan Mandli.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Pranam.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Yes, Prabhu. Time for your, now you have to give peace to our ears.
But Prabhuji, we are not together.
प्रभु जी
Huh?
प्रभु जी
We are not
वीडियो
together. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Aman.
Prabhuji, we are not together. How we can do kirtan?
That's okay. You have Kartal, na?
Yes,
So
Prabhuji.
you with the Kartal you sing. Karan will also sing. We all will sing.
Yes, Prabhuji. Sure.
Okay, Prabhuji. Okay. Let me take first.
विकास प्रभु जी वीडियो ऑन किए ना
तो कौन सा कीर्तन करेंगे प्रभु लाइक
Hare
राधा
Krishna.
माधव
We will sing Hare Krishna. We will first sing Srila Prabhupada mantra and then Panchtattva mantra and Hare Krishna. So one time Prabhupada mantra, then we can chant 3 times Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya and then Hare Krishna. That will another. I hope you all have time till 9:30.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Sharp
Yes,
9:30
Prabhuji.
will close. Yes, Prabhu.
Can I start, Prabhuji, now?
Yes.
ऐसे नहीं स्टार्ट होता है आपको वीडियो ऑन करना पड़ेगा
और सभी लोग प्लीज वीडियो ऑन कीजिए
सब लोग कीजिए
Yeah, means if internet is little
हाँ then we'll continue.
we have Jadu.
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti
Vedanta Swami Namine
Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shanyavadi Paschatyaritari Namaste
Saraswati Devi Gauravani
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur-Bhakta-Vrinda Jai Shri Krishna
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur-Bhakta-Vrinda Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Shadvaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur-Bhakta-Vrinda
Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur-Bhakta-Vrinda Shri Krishna Chaitanya प्रभु
Prabhu
नित्यानंद
Nityananda,
श्री
Shri
अद्वैता
Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi
Hare Krishna 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 Hare
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 Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
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 Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare
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 Rama
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama
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 Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama
Rama Hare
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama
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 Rama,
Hare
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 Hare.
Hare
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 Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
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 Rama
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 Hare
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 Rama
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 Rama,
Rama
Rama,
Hare
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 Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Hare,
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Rama
Rama Rama
Rama,
Hare
Hare Hare.
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Hare Hare
Rama
Rama Hare Rama
Rama Rama Rama
Rama
Hare
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 Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Master,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama
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 Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare Krishna,
Hare
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 Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Ram,
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Rama, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
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 Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare
Hare,
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Ram
Ram,
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 Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Hare.
Hare.
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Bhai
Hare
Karan,
Hare.
Hare
Hare
Bol.
Rama,
Hare Ram, Ram
Hare
Ram,
Hare.
से धोती खोल डांस नहीं
Hare
का
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Jayo Prabhupada,
जय
Prabhupada,
प्रभुपद
Prabhupada,
Prabhupada, Jai Prabhu.
Jayo
Prabhupada,
Prabhupada.
प्रभुपद
Prabhupada,
प्रभुपद
Jai
जय प्रभुपद
Prabhu.
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय।
Jai,
सद्गुरु प्रभुपाद की जय। साई
Jai.
गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल।
हरि हरि हरि
Hari Bol,
बोल
Hari Bol.
All glories to sample devotees. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
हरि हरि बोल I hope you
हरी
all
हरी
like the
वो
feast.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
प्रभु जी
राहुल
मजा आ
प्रभु
गया।
जी
बहुत बहुत
राहुल राहुल प्रभु जी तो डांस भी नहीं किया
राहुल कह रहा है मैं डांस करता पलंग टूट जाता राहुल is sitting on my so Hari Hari so to end the program I would like to thank each one of you for participating in it and Akash and Deepak the MCs of the program they have done wonderful service by making nice videos early morning videos motorcycle videos and then coordinating the entire event with so many devotees. That was extremely wonderful. And yeah, I'm very, very happy.
Prabhu ji, I'm grateful that you had given me that devotional service. I'm
Yes,
very
Prabhu
thankful
ji.
to you.
So
And
I am
thanks to
inspired.
all devotees who coordinated very excellent. मतलब
Yes,
एक
yes.
बार बस मैसेज करो and then all done.
Hari Hari.
Response was really very good,
Really very good.
प्रभु जी, because जिसको जिसको मैंने कॉल किया जो जैसे रिस्पॉन्स मिला बहुत पॉजिटिव मिला, तो थैंक यू टू एवरीवन, क्योंकि it was seen, excitement was seen from their talking as well as from their performances from everyone.
Prabhu ji.
So big Hari Bol
Yes.
to everyone.
Yes, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
So now a surprise announcement. You want more surprises?
Yes, Prabhu.
So now we are in January. So 31st March, another session.
Oh, Hari Bol,
Wow,
Hari
Hari
Bol,
Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
We can make it a quarterly affair now.
Yes.
Instead of annual, quarterly, we will figure out a theme. So anyway, today just an announcement about that. Yes, now 31st March we'll have next session, next festival.
Hari Bol.
So for that now we have to raise the bar. Now this time actually it was high. We have to make it more higher. So now we will choose some topic. Okay, and then we all have to prepare on that topic. And then we'll see. So we'll discuss further. But now just an announcement is quarterly we'll have our festival. Okay, more maja, more masti, and more devotion. Okay, Hari Hari. So thank you so much, everyone. Each one of you, Mandeep, Aman, Vikas, Rinku, Sanjay, Mandeep, and Dodo Mandeep, Roshan, Rahul, Taisman, Prabhu, Dhananjay, Deepak, Pradeep, Prabhu, Akash, and those who are not here, to them also. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Aman
Prabhu
Prabhu,
ji.
it was brilliant.
Thank you, everyone. Prabhu ji,
Kirtan
very
was
nice
brilliant.
kirtan, very nice
Amazing.
bhajan singing.
Arey,
Excellent.
we had less time, otherwise Aman Prabhu would have directly taken us back.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
Yeah, I request everyone to please on the video. We can take one photo of the third
Yes.
day.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let us
Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
1 second, I'll put my picture back.
Yes, background.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
रिंकू प्रभु जी, विकास प्रभु जी, हाँ विकास प्रभु जी,
Aman Prabhu, Rinku Prabhu.
Prabhuji, I actually don't have.
Okay.
It's okay, सिर्फ वीडियो ऑन कीजिए।
पिक्चर कौन खींच रहा है भाई?
Done प्रभु जी, done.
हरी ये बताना था ना, I have.
बताओ वापस भेजो वापस।
Okay, Rinku Prabhu is left. Prabhu ji, one more time, please.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, can anyone send this background picture again?
Hari bol, Hari bol.
Hari bol. It's okay, without picture is also fine, but your picture should be there.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
Okay.
Now done.
Thank you. Hari bol.
Hari bol.
Thank you everyone. Thank you to all.
Hare Krishna everyone.
Now I want this attendance every day. Hari bol.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
All 17 attendance every day at 8 o'clock.
Yes, Prabhu ji.
Okay.
Hare Krishna प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna everyone.